This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making another one of my grandma's recipe that I grew up on. This is cabbage and meatball soup. We first chop up the vegetables. Slice up 1 carrot, remove the stems of the shiitake mushrooms, four to 5 slices of ginger. Now separate the stalk of green onions into the white and green parts. And finally, chop up 500 grams of Napa cabbage. I have here 500 grams of ground pork. You can use chicken or beef if you like. Add in the white parts of a spring onion and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Now season it with 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 egg. Now, stir the meat in one direction till it's all combined and is a little sticky. The important part here is to stir in one direction. In a pot, boil 3 liters of chicken stock. Put in the ginger, mushrooms, carrots, and cabbage. Bring it to a boil again. Use a spoon and shape the meatballs, or you can just use your hands. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Before serving, sprinkle the green parts of the spring onion onto the soup and add a dash of sesame oil. This is cabbage and meatball soup.